In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 medium-sized diced onion. Saute for 30 seconds. Go in with 2 medium-sized diced carrots. Add some diced green beans. Go in with some diced spring onion. Add some finely chopped green Scotch bonnet pepper. Mix thoroughly. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Add 1 seasoning cube and a pinch of salt. Go in with some fried fish and stir. Place the bread on a rolling table and cut into round shapes. Add the filling, smear the sides with egg wash and seal. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan and add the bread. Coat with some egg wash. Leave on low heat for 2 minutes before flipping the side. Remove from fire and enjoy.